Heyo, so the Club Crochet Challenge submissions are in. Let's look at my 4 favorite crocheted ghosts, and then you get to vote on which one is going to be the winner of the Club Crochet gift card and get bragging rights. First up is this crochet ghost by Happy Tree 123 on Discord, who made a very clean, very adorable witch ghost, and look how clean these stitches are. Second is this crocheted ghost from Kiwi 2004, who made a PacMan crocheted ghost set, and I just thought they put in so much effort, it looks so good. Third are these crocheted ghosts from Hihe on Discord, who made a Frankenstein ghost and a fancy ghost. And then last but not least is from @iswcrochet on Instagram, who made a Yoda and a baby Yoda crocheted ghost, and I just love the different, they're the same but different sizes. I just think it's really cute. So which one is your favorite? Vote by commenting down below with the number of which one is your favorite, and then I'll tally the results to choose a winner.